What's up guys, welcome back. It's our video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to buy from Yupoo. So, you might be wondering how do you buy from Yupoo here. Well, this one is really easy. So, first things first is you want to search for the item or clothing item here that you want to buy from Yupoo. Now, you can go to yupooclothes.com here to see all the clothes that is available right now. And you just need to click on it to see see the details on that item. Now, in this case, you want to go and just review this, but if you're good, what you need to do is you want to go and go to the URL section and copy the address for it. Next thing that you want to do is you want to go to CN Fans. Now, the great thing about CN Fans here is you can paste a product's link here, and they will handle the options or the way for you to order from that specific platform. So, in this case, you want to go and just press the section here for URL. Now, by the way, if you haven't created your account, you can go and click on the sign in or sign up button at the top right here. But let's go and click on submit. Now, once you click on submit here, it's going to ask you a bunch of details. Like first is the product details. That includes the product name, the product link here, so you need to provide that. Also the specifications here, product notes, and also you may need to upload the images. Now you could go ahead and provide the unit price for it and how much you want to buy and the domestic shipping. Now for the price itself, you may need to contact the person that is that is selling this specific product here. So yeah, so make sure to get all the details first, and once you've done that, you can go and click on the add cart or buy now button here, and in this case, CN Fans will handle the process of buying this specific product. But that's about it. So, by the way, if you don't know the pricing here, just fill in 10 C and Y here to place the order and wait for the agent to confirm the underpaid amount. So, they will reach out for you in behalf, but just in case if you don't know. But yeah, so if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.